So, which do you buy first? Welcome to the Rhythm Studio, where we're talking percussion, music production, and music technology. I'm Warren Henry. If you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button and the alert bell so that you can be notified when we release new videos. That said, let's get into it. In my last video, I reviewed the LEWITT LCT 440 Pure Condenser Microphone, which by all accounts is a beast of a mic. Today, I'm gonna let you hear what the LEWITT LCT 440 Pure sounds like against two timeless classics: the AKG C414 BULS and its baby brother, also known as the poor man's 414, the C3000. For these examples, I'll be using speech, the reason being the spoken voice is a lot less dynamic than the singing voice. Also, I wanted to replicate the character of each microphone in its purest state. The preamp of choice is the Focusrite ISA 1. It provides the cleanest path with its input-only transformer, which is a Lund Hall. Also, the variable impedance feature on this preamp will allow me to closely match each microphone with its proper impedance load. Properly matching impedance avoids unnecessary coloration of each microphone. So let's listen to a few examples. This is a test of the AKG C3000 microphone. It is a studio-grade condenser microphone manufactured in Austria. It is connected to a Focusrite ISA 1 preamp. This is a test of the AKG C414 microphone. It is a studio-grade condenser microphone manufactured in Austria. It is connected to a Focusrite ISA 1 preamp. This is a test of the LEWITT LCT 440 Pure microphone. It is a studio-grade condenser microphone manufactured in Austria. It is connected to a Focusrite ISA 1 preamp. So there you have it, 3 mics of similar design and purpose. In the comments below, tell me what your impressions were of each microphone. Like this video by giving it a thumbs up and sharing it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe. And don't forget to say hello to the family for me.